So let's try this melody. I'm using a C 4-hole diatonic harmonica. Also, you can be using one like this, a chromatic harmonica, yeah, with this slide bottom. Don't play fast immediately. Try to feel your instrument. Try to be with it and try to be with yourself while you are playing. So let's go. 3 out. Great. Let's do one more. Playing at 60 BPM. You know, it's a bit faster, but you have to be patient. If you don't make it good at the first time, don't worry. It's just practice on time. 1, 2, 3, and well, very well done. Just remember, be with your instrument. Sometimes you will feel a little bit tired with the breathe in, breathe outs, and all that stuff going on your instrument and you. So take a rest if you feel tired, or if not, you can keep moving along. Enjoy your story.